Includes. This prep set contains 2-quart clear glass batter bowl. Embossed lines make measuring easy, a molded spout facilitates reliable pouring, and extra thick glass withstands the stresses of the most demanding kitchen. Durable and versatile use. This batter bowl melts, mixes, reheats, and pours. Pancakes, waffles, cakes, and all manner of desserts mix as easily as stews, soups, sauces and more. Sturdy and solid so you can whisk, beat, and bake worry-free all in one place. Cook. Store. Clean. These baking dishes are microwave, fridge, freezer, dishwasher, and preheated oven, up to 425, safe. Tempered tougher to resist chipping and handle high temperatures, nonporous glass protects food flavors. Lead-free. BPA-free. Safe design. Anchor Hocking Glass is healthier than plastic and metal. It will not warp, stain, retain smells, or leach dangerous chemicals or microplastics into food or drinks. Made in USA. We began in Ohio in 1905 with the aim of maximizing your home's potential. Today our goal and location are the same. That's right. 115 years later, our glass batter bowls are still proudly made in America. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for fermenting kefir. I brought 2 of these for fermenting kefir. They are perfect for this as they are wide-mouthed, so let the grains get plenty of air. I wanted a large vessel for the fermenting, so I wouldn't have to drain the kefir off every day. I am lazy. What I do is half fill the vessel with milk on day 1, add more milk on day 2, filling to the top of the jug and stirring with a spoon so all the added milk mixes with the fermented milk, and then drain off my yummy kefir on day 3. I find working with the grains in this way makes for delicious kefir of a consistent quality every time. I have been fermenting this way very successfully for several months now. I keep the jug in a box on my countertop with the top closure flaps slightly held open to allow air to get in. Kefir definitely ferments better in the dark. Darkness is needed to prevent degradation of vitamins and inhibition of the culture. Milk is intended to pass from the mother directly into the child and has not developed protection against light. For those just wanting these to use as a large jug, you will not be disappointed by the quality. They are made from good quality glass and have clear, easy-to-read volume measures. The jug also has a slight dark tint which is attractive.